So welcome friends, and let's talk about the basics. A very simple basics of NumPy. So the point to be remember here, it is basically used for the multi-dimensional array, and it provide the homogeneous, basically the homogeneous multi-dimensional array, and it sort out the various problem that occurs in the Python array. Because in the Python array, we won't be able to do some kind of manipulations like the subtractions, divisions directly by using the operators. But here the NumPy will sort out this issue. So whenever you use a NumPy array is a NumPy array is basically it's a class. Okay, it's a class. Okay, and this class is basically this class name is ndarray. Okay, what is the class name? The class name is the ndarray, and in this ndarray there are a lot of important attributes that you can use. So we were going to do some little bit of practicals, and we will try to understand these attributes. So some of these attributes are let me talk about some of these attributes are the first one. You can say the attribute let me use ndarray dot. Okay, the first one is, you can say, ndim. So why we use it? This define the number of axis dimensions of the array. For example, let's say suppose there is an array that is let's say 3 2 1. So this is basically the coordinate. You can say it's an array, and that axis, it has one axis, because you can see this is the one axis, and in this one axis what it is having, it is having 3 elements. All right, the same thing, suppose if you are going to take the different one, for example in the multi-dimensional, let's say 2 3 4 comma, and here you can say 5 6 7 like this. Okay, 5 7 and 6. So in this example, what you can say here in this example, you can say this is having 2 axes. Okay, the first axis and 2 axes. Okay, so axis 1 and axis 2. Okay, the first axis has a length of 2 and the second axis has a length of 3. So something like here you can see this is the 3 elements. All right, so this is how you can check it out. So and dimension will show you something like this. So let me close it like this one. Okay, some more attributes available here is the shape. So second one that we can say ndarray dot shape. So what it will do, it will just give you the shape of your array. Basically the shape is nothing, it's will look like n cross m. All right, so which define the size of an array in each dimensions. For a matrix where this one is your row and this one is your columns. All right, one more attribute available here is the size. Okay, something like we can say ndarray dot size. So what this will define? This will define the total number of elements. This will define the total number of elements. Okay, this will define the total number of elements. And another attribute is ndarray dot dtype, means the data type. So what this will do means it will describe the type of elements in the array. Okay, one can create or specify d type. So if you are using a NumPy with an array that is a collection of the integer, so when you use this particular attribute, it will give you what type of integer, whether it may be int 32, it's int 16, and whether it may be a float or a particular object. So by using this, we will be able to define it. The next one is the ndarray item size. What it will do, it will define the size in byte of each element in the array. This will define the size in byte in each element in the array. All right. So some more are, for example, some more available here is, you can say, the data. Okay. So this will act like a buffer that contain the actual element of array. So we didn't need to worry about this array, because Python will take care of this kind of stuffs. All right. So what we can do out here, we can try to go through a particular example, and in that example we will try to use these attributes as much as we can. So in the next tutorial, we will have a very simple example of a NumPy. And please, my friend, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please comment this video. Okay. Thanks for watching it.